Yeah, she's so pretty. Wait, that's it? That's how you catch her attention? Uh-oh, you've got no game, buddy. Just kidding. Introducing our pixel art Swagflow with Emoji. It's like your favorite game character jump out of the screen and into the pool. The ultimate wingman for all you shy cats out there. Whether you're looking to make a new squad or catch someone's eyes, you don't gotta worry about being all shy and stuff. Let this flow do the talking for you. Other regular flows, they're made to be cute too, but they don't speak for you. Some come with eyes too, but they are freakishly printed. Here, I got dope news for you. Our emoji comes with not one, but many replaceable eyes. We have 12 styles you can walk around with, from winky eyes to star eyes, matching your vibes and mood at the moment. If 12 ain't enough for you, send us your idea, we will make it happen. And trust me, popping these bad boys in is a breeze. You simply take it out, replace it with any emoji representing your mood, and everybody will be like, wow, wow, wow. And that's how you steal the spotlight with the coolest emoji. Of course, we want the best quality for you. Only the grips that hold these eyeballs. We have more than 20 trials. Wow! Hold on, let me show you a cool jump. While the eyeballs are perfectly secure. Well, hey, what are you doing, bro? You're still pumping it the old way? Let's show him what we've got. And you will be wondering, how? Our emoji comes with a built-in power pump that can inflate a float in just 60 seconds. Not only does it pump fast, it's also removable, rechargeable, and waterproof. And if you have a party going on, this is gonna take the party to the next level. Whoa! Oops. Are you okay, bro? Tough guy. Our emoji is super tough too, and made with high quality materials, which makes it absolutely sturdy to step on it. If you think about poking it with scissors, well... my advice is, don't do it. Oh god. Anyway, and yup, this is made by eco-friendly materials. Cheers! Wow, what a mess. Mom gonna kill me. Gotta pack this up real quick. They just grab and go. Done. Time to level up your game. And please give us a back. You will receive your emoji by this summer. Follow us for more.